Hello and welcome to my channel. Name was fine. My name is Nemo, and in today's video I'm gonna give you my review of the new product that is launched now in December. The name of the product is Neuro AI app. Before we jump to the review, I just want to mention that I'm gonna leave you the link in the description down below where you can purchase the product, of course, if you like it. And also, if you purchase the product to my unique affiliate link down below in the descriptions, you're gonna get additional 5 custom bonuses that you only gonna get them if you purchase the product through my unique link. So I want quickly to show you first the bonuses that you're gonna get. So the bonus number 1 that you're gonna get is an ebook, ClickBank Cash Success Secret, all your ClickBank traffic secret revealed. It's an ebook about affiliate marketing with ClickBank. The bonus number 2, it's also an ebook, Crush It with YouTube, the YouTube Master's Guide to Crushing Online Video Marketing. Bonus number 3 is ebook The Warrior Mindset. It's an ebook about the mindset. We all know how much the mindset is important to succeed in life and to overcome the daily life obstacles. So I'm gonna give you also this ebook as a bonus. Bonus number 5 is an ebook 20 online business ideas. Create an online business that you love and work from home. You can find 20 online business ideas that you can start this year in this ebook. And the bonus number 5, it's video course, the exact step-by-step guide that shows you how you can go from 0 to 5K a month with digital marketing using Facebook and Messenger. This course is made by my friend Carol, and you also gonna get this video course if you purchase the product through my unique affiliate link that is listed down in the description below. So now let's jump to the review of Neuro AI. So now we are here of the sales page of Neuro AI. What is Neuro AI? This is the world's first universal AI app that allows you to search and unlock any AI model in the world and access it with just one click from one dashboard. So you can access all these AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonard AI, Canva, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, MidJourney, Jasper, Synthesia, and 90 more AI apps uh, through only one dashboard using Neuro AI. You can create a website with Claude AI, write a content with ChatGPT, create logos with Leonardo, create landing pages with Canva, and promote it with Copilot only using one AI app. And you can create videos, images, generate voiceover, generate articles, write ads, turn speech to text, and much more, only with access with this one app. And the cost of the app is $16. Probably this price gonna increase with the time to $197. So if you like the product, I would recommend you to purchase it soon as possible. And you have 30 days money back guarantee for the product. And also I want to mention, if you purchase it to my through my link, you also gonna get a $3 discount, and also these 5 custom unique bonuses that I mentioned on the start of the video. And I want to show you, yeah, here is the discount that you're gonna get. And I also want to show you the bonuses that you're gonna get from the vendor as well. So now we are here on the bonus page from the vendor. The bonus number one that you're gonna get is Neuro 6-figure in 60 days live event. The bonus number two is 26 in one software tools. Bonus number three is Neuro Turbo Bot Builder Pro. Bonus number four is Neuro ChatGPT Blueprint. And the bonus number five is Neuro Facebook AI chatbot. So if you purchase the product through my link, you're gonna get, of course, the product and also 5 custom bonuses from me in addition, and 5 bonuses from the vendor. So now let's jump to the demo video of the product.
Hello. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the Neuro app works. Neuro is the first-to-market AI app that allows you to search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market and access it from a single dashboard. No API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. To get started, all you have to do is click on the AI model menu. Right here, you can search, unlock, and activate premium AI models. Just input your prompt, whatever you want to achieve. For example, I want to create a motion video. Once you input the keyword, Neuro will search for and unlock different AI models to help you achieve your task. Here's one AI model for motion video, powered by Leonard AI. You can click on it to create your motion video right away, inside the Neuro app, without paying for any API or monthly fees. There are also different AI models you can use for various tasks. Okay, let's check another example. I want to clone my voice. Amazing. This will bring up different premium AI models for voice-related tasks. As you can see, text-to-speech powered by OpenAI, Azure, and GCP. Instant voice cloning powered by Stable Diffusion and 11 Labs. Audio mixing and speech-to-text tools. Just click on the one you want. Let's try voice cloning. And right here, you can easily clone your voice. Another prompt. I want to create a stunning website. Neuro will activate the perfect AI model to create beautiful and stunning websites. You can also search for, I want to create chatbots, and Neuro will give you different AI models for that. AI virtual assistants powered by OpenAI, Google Bard, Meta AI, and Claude. This is for creating ChatGPT-like AI chatbots, and other AI tools are also listed. Next example, I want to create images. Neuro will activate the perfect AI models for image creation, like Prompt to Image, AI Image Generator, Graphics and Logo Creator, Photo Studio, and more. Or you can type, I want to create social media designs, and you'll get the perfect AI model for that. I want to write code for my app, and Neuro will show you models to write code in any programming language powered by OpenAI and Gemini. Another prompt, I want to create a business card, and the AI model for business card creation will pop up. You can easily create your business card directly with the Neuro software. So whatever you have in mind, just input your prompt and you'll get access to the premium AI model to get the job done, all directly from Neuro. Remember, no API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. This is the one app you need to start getting results without paying a penny for AI models. Thanks for watching. See you inside.
So this was it in today's video. I hope you liked it. Yeah, once more, if you like the product, you can purchase it through the link that I'm gonna leave you down in the descriptions. You're gonna get also 5 bonuses from the vendor, my 5 unique custom bonuses. And if you like the video, hit the like button, follow my channel for more videos that I'm gonna publish in the future. And also, if you want to leave the comment, you can do it also in down below. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.